Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today I am thrilled to introduce you to my latest listing in the beautiful active adult retirement community of Green Valley. This elevated corner lot townhome with mountain views and high-end upgrades is beautifully remodeled with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a spacious den, and a bonus 200+ square foot enclosed Arizona sunroom. Perfectly positioned on a private elevated corner lot with no neighbors behind, this home offers stunning mountain views and exceptional indoor-outdoor living. Step inside to find an open, light-filled floor plan with tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring. No carpet anywhere. The inviting living area flows into a beautifully redone kitchen featuring quartz countertops, gray cabinetry with pullouts, and newer stainless steel appliances. Retreat to the generous primary suite, complete with a massive closet with built-in shelving and a fully remodeled bathroom with brand new shower and fixtures. Every detail has been thoughtfully updated, including a newer roof from 2022 with 7 skylights, a newer HVAC, water heater, and water softener, all from 2020, new windows and flooring from 2023, updated lighting and ceiling fans from 2024, and brand new stainless steel washer and dryer included. Additional highlights include an oversized insulated 2-car garage with built-in cabinetry, professional xeriscaping with desert plantings, and a private front courtyard, perfect for enjoying Arizona mornings. Located in the desirable Canoa Ridge neighborhood, you'll be just minutes from Canoa Hills Trails Park, where hiking, bird watching, and scenic walks await. This turnkey home shines with pride of ownership. Schedule your showing today and make it yours. When you or a friend are ready to purchase or sell a home in the Tucson area, I would love to assist. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this YouTube channel. I am a born and raised Tucsonan with in-depth knowledge to help you in your home buying journey. I specialize in relocation, listings, and luxury homes, and I work all over the city and suburbs. I have an extensive marketing package when you're ready to list your home for sale, and I feature all of my listings on this channel for additional advertising. Consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.